my channel. So today's video is going to be about this beautiful freckles trend that has been doing rounds on Instagram, and these look so beautiful. Like, I never knew I would love freckles this much. I think I'm gonna wear this outside, I don't know, but this looks so beautiful. So this is my second video in the popular Instagram makeup trends series that I'm working on this week. So I uploaded one before. If you haven't checked that out, please go check it out. It's about how to create the Korean gradient lip. So this video is about this freckles look here, and I'll be uploading few more in this week, so please stay tuned and just subscribe to my channel, like, share, and just spread the love. Okay, so if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So I'm going to bronze my nose up a little more than I do usually, because I'll be applying a lot of warm shades on my nose and I didn't want it to look flat. So in order to just contain the contours in place, I will be bronzing it up a little more than I do usually. And for this, I'm just using the Wet n Wild contour palette. Next, to just warm my nose and my cheeks up, I'm using the same Wet n Wild contouring palette and my Milani Baked blush in the shade Bellissimo Bronze, which is a nice warm shade. So I'm just mixing the two of them to just warm up over my nose region and also my cheeks. I just zoomed you guys in so that you could see more clearly. Moving on to drawing the freckles, I'll be using the Freedom Brow Kit and the NYX Love Contours All palette. And from this palette, I'm using the bronzer shade and the eyebrow shade because I just wanted like a variety of different shades of brown. Pick a really thin brush like this to draw the freckles. Start dotting the freckles in the areas close to your nose, and as you move further away, just reduce the amount of freckles. And as you draw the freckles, just keep dabbing over them because that will help your freckles to look more natural and, blend it in. So I'm just drawing the freckles all over my nose area. Ideally, for this look, you could use an eyeliner or an eyebrow pen in different shades of brown, but I don't really own any eyeliner or eyebrow pen in this shade, so I just stuck to using eyebrow powders. But if you have eyeliner pens in different shades of brown, then you can definitely use them because it'll be easier for you to work with them because they'll be wet and easier to blend and easier to draw. So I had started off drawing with a lighter shade of brown, and now I'm just going in with a darker shade. I'm just taking a bigger headed brush now, and I'm picking the same pigments and dotting them in the same areas. And doing this will help your freckles to look more natural because then you'll have freckles of different sizes. Now, to add some finishing touches to this look, I'll be picking some highlighter on my finger, and I'll place this only on the tip of my nose and a little bit on the top portion of my nose bridge, because doing this gives you a more natural highlight than highlighting your entire nose bridge. I'm just going to finish off by blending the harsh lines between the warmth on my cheeks and the rest of my face. So this is the finished look, guys. It looks so good. All you gotta do is just keep dotting all over your face. Make sure your tools are right, and also make sure your shades are right. Don't use too many dark shades or too many light shades. Just choose the right shade for your complexion and you're gonna get the best results. It looks so good in person and on camera. And I'm gonna go click some pictures now because that's exactly why I did this look for Instagram. So yeah, guys, if you try recreating this look, please let me know. It's so beautiful. It looks really nice, really easy to create. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much for this video. So please stay tuned for the next few videos that I'll be uploading from this Instagram. Please stay tuned for the rest of my videos this week because I'll be uploading more such interesting, popular Instagram trends. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!